Get ready to make the best game day dip you've ever had. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Your Behind BBQ. My name is Kyle Matuszewski. I'm the owner of Your Behind BBQ. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe. For everybody returning, welcome back. So today we're gonna make something super easy, super simple. It's like a game day dip. It's almost like a 7-layer dip, but we're doing a cheese dip. So, very easy to do. Now, I cooked this on the smoker. It's gonna be about 45 minutes to an hour to be fully cooked. If you don't have a smoker, you can cook it in your oven. You can also use a crock pot. If it's stormy, it's rainy, it's cold, you don't wanna go outside, it's game day morning, plug in the crock pot, and this is all you gotta do. Follow the steps. All right, 1 brick of Velveeta cheese inside of a aluminum pan because I don't wanna do dishes. Now, I'm gonna put some onions in here. This is 1 whole onion, and I will have the whole thing listed below. Some people like to put everything in corners of everything that you're adding to the dip. I don't wanna do that because I don't wanna sit there and continuously mix. I wanna just let it cook evenly. All right, so now 1 whole jalapeno. Add that to the mix. Then I'm going to do Jimmy Dean hot sausage, cooked sausage. Add that to the mix. Kind of spread that out. Now I'm going to use a 1/2 container of bacon that's cooked. I only used half of it. You can add more, plus or minus. I only did half, but it's cooked. Kind of mix that up. Now I got leftover rib meat. So these are some ribs that we did not sell at the restaurant that I pulled the meat. We usually add these to our beans, but today they're going in our queso dip. All right, boom. We're gonna add this. I'm getting a little full here. A little full, don't worry, it'll be all good. Mix that up, bada bang. Now I'm gonna use 1 can of Rotel diced tomatoes with habaneros. I'm gonna add that to the top. And then I am going to spread. Okay, now last but not least, we are going to use a triple cheddar, sharp. Add that, not the whole bag, I'm just sprinkling the top. Bada bang, like that. Now we are going to use our green chili bacon rub. It's got certified Hatch green chilies in it. And anytime this bad boy touches liquid, the green chilies that are dehydrated will get rehydrated again. Boom, so you got chunks of green chilies. Perfect for game day. Now, let's go add this bad boy to our smoker outside. All right, I got the Green Mountain Grill. She's fired up to 300 degrees. Hot and fast. Like I said, you can cook this in the oven. Any smoker you got, this is quick, easy. All you gotta do, throw it all together, throw it on the smoker. So I'm gonna throw her in here. Whew. Boom. Now we're gonna let this bad boy go for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I will come back and we'll get a temperature of it and we will check it out. All right, it's been 45 minutes. 45 minutes, we're at 300 degrees, It's now time to stir and check. Check and stir, Let's check it out. Whoo, man, that looks good. All right, cheese is melting. Oh yeah, look at that. Mix this up a little bit. It's getting there. All right, I'm gonna say another 30 minutes. Another 30 minutes and she's ready to roll. All right, we're at hour 15, hour 20-ish in on this queso dip. Let's take a look at it. I think she's done. I think she's ready to come off. Let's look. Oh man, what do we have here? All right, she's ready to come off. All the cheese is melted. Everything's looking good. All right, let's pull this off and let's head inside. Oh gosh, I can't wait to get into this. Okay, so you know me, I'm gonna do a little presentation. I'm gonna throw some more jalapenos on top of this. So if I was going to somebody's house, this is how I would do it. I would then wrap it in foil, a little more cheese on there, wrap it in foil, get my bag of favorite chips, and I'm rolling over. So, last but not least, we gotta try it. Whew. Oh, look at that, big meaty. Yeah. Make me a plate of this, get my favorite chips, give me a beer, give me a couch. I'm set. I'm happy all night. This is perfect for the game. I hope you all enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.